Hello everyone. So today we will study on some important minor plates. So first is Cocos Plate, which is between Central America and Pacific Plate. Nazca Plate between South America and Pacific Plate. Third one is Arabian Plate, mostly Saudi Arabia landmass. Philippine Plate between Asiatic and Pacific Plate. So these are some importance. Then Caroline Plate between Philippine and Indian Plate north of New Guinea. Then sixth is Fuji Plate, which is northeast of Australia. Now continent does not move as believed by Wagner. Continent are part of a plate and what move is the plate. So it was a theory. Now later discovery revealed that continental masses resting on plates have been wandering all through the geological period, and Pangaea was result of converging of different continent masses that were parts of one or other plates. So these are some minor plates which has been asked in many exams. So don't forget to see it. So subscribe my channel.